it's an image, we have to edit that image. I will make a selection there. I have selected half of the image there. Use the filter gallery. It's a sketch as well. Make the photocopy there. It's a distort as well. Artistic visual. Increase the size of the brush. Stroke the details. So there it is. Again I will add a paint there. Then I will make a selection again.